20 million dirhams. What is the difference between luxury and ultra luxury? Now, this is why I've been doing these series, right? So it started off with One Zabeel, then we were in Blue Water Islands, and now we're at the Royal Atlantis. So is it infrastructure? Is it the experience? It's not just about the property. Let's look at the property. So this is a 2-bedroom. So in Blue Water Island, we saw a 3-bedroom for 10.9 million dirhams. And here we're going to see a 2-bed for 20 million. The 3 beds over here go all the way towards the 40 million mark, and penthouses, of course, 55, 60 million dirhams. Now, I want to see the apartment first, and then let's sit down and have a chat. So I have this investor mindset, right? So if I buy a property, my primary intention is to sell it to the right demographic, but it doesn't work in Dubai. You've got so many different opportunities. It's really important to understand the demographic. That is why, I was telling you, okay, so I had a client who was a Chinese billionaire. He bought in One Zabeel, and we made the property in One Zabeel. And then I was like, okay, this Russian investor bought in Blue Waters. This also by some Russian investors. But over here, I had a lot of young, or say new money, the crypto millionaires, the digital entrepreneurs, these are the ones who invested in these properties. So the difference between ultra luxury and luxury could also be perspective. I see, so there are 2 objectives to these videos, okay? One is that, okay, I want you guys to physically see these properties, see the lifestyle, have a feel of Dubai, okay, and where are the best quality properties, because by just seeing these off-plan renderings, it doesn't give that full image, right? So one is, of course, okay, if you're moving to Dubai and you're looking for this beautiful place to live, okay, in this channel, we're trying to show you some of the best places of Dubai. Number 2, if you're an investor now I'm an investor in Dubai. I've lived here all my life, and I enjoy Dubai real estate, okay. So I'm trying to tell you, okay, if we invest in this kind of property, so if you observe my previous videos, I like making these reports, these Excels, where we understand the appreciation. But now, because the market is flooded with a lot of people who are giving these awkward numbers, I decided to step out of the office and physically take you to these properties and tell you, okay, this is the plan. These are the demographics of the people who are buying, and this is a very realistic number that we can achieve. So, so through these properties, I also want to introduce you to the newer areas of Dubai. So all of this started with me understanding this new beach section, this J1 beach section of Dubai, which includes the peninsula. There's a J1 beach. The government is developing this entire section that's right opposite downtown, the most premium land beachfront parcel of Dubai. And then I started segregating the beachfront. Do you want to have a look at the living room? So the difference between luxury and ultra luxury is also perspective. Now, it depends on the taste of the investor as well. Now, personally, between you and me, like I have been to One Zabeel, I've been to Blue Waters, I would be stuck between One Zabeel because of the location, because of all the amenities inside, and I love the peace and tranquility of Blue Water Islands. But it's my perspective, right? So I would be really torn between these 2 investments. That's probably why I went ahead and bought the mansion, the villa on the beach in Sinia, right? Because it was a bit of both. It was tranquility, a beautiful ultra luxury island, and I know that my property value will sort of pop up, will increase over there. So I know I have a lot of requests of people saying, okay, make it into a report and Excel and compare, put all these properties. I just wanted you to see what actual ultra luxury looks like. For me, I see in every advertisement in Dubai nowadays, you see luxury, luxury, luxury. And I'm like, that's not luxury. This is luxury. Rest is perspective, of course, like how you'd like to categorize it. But if it's about the numbers, we're going back to the office and we're going to make some serious reports on all these properties that we have visited. I'd like to compare these with the J1 Beach. The starting price is around 6,000 dirham per square foot, but how we can make profit through those investments. And again, I'm not only going to talk about luxury. This comes under, let's say, luxury and ultra luxury. We're going to talk about the 1 to 5 million bracket as well. We're going to talk about house and townhouses as an investment opportunity as well. Just to let you know, if you'd like to schedule a Zoom call with me, there is a link above where this is how we're going to do it. We're going to have a very detailed discussion. I will understand your requirements, and based on your objective, we will sort of custom tailor an investment strategy. So this is how we function, and I'd like you to just enjoy the bedrooms before we close this video. So there are two kinds of people coming to Dubai. One who wants to live in a place like this, or Blue Waters, or One Zabeel, and we have multiple options. So our investors who invested over here, basically, we bought this property somewhere around 10 million, but we paid around 60% of the value, and then we were able to sell it close to 20 million dirhams. So you can imagine, by investing around 6 million, making profit of close to 14 million is not a bad idea, right? I'm not saying that the same process can be reciprocated, but there are opportunities where we can invest in a property worth around 10 million, pay 60%, and try and trade it for around 15 million dirhams. There are some opportunities as such in the luxury beachfront collection, right? So that's the whole idea of this series of videos. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. Let me know your feedback. We'll be going back to the office and giving you all the numbers for these as well. If you're looking to invest in Dubai, please hit the link above and we can schedule a Zoom call face-to-face, and based on investment requirement, we'll be able to customize an investment plan for you. Thank you for watching. Mohammed Zohaib.